Hi guys, welcome back to India's World. We're doing a marshmallow drawing microwave and experiment. We're doing it a new version. This is so fun. Let's try it. Let's go. We will open these marshmallows. We don't know this will work. We will put them in the microwave and they will grow bigger. With them they'll grow bigger and bigger and bigger. We will go and put those in the marshmallows. Let's go! It grow bigger and bigger. Let's do it. First, put all the, and now we will put the marshmallows inside. Oh, which percent? Which percent? Oh, let's see. Give me this here. They're growing bigger. Whoa, they're growing bigger. Oh, that's insane! Okay. Oh. Yummy! I hate that. I hate that. It failed because the marshmallows are not the right color.
And then?
We need to restart. Oh, we don't. I think the marshmallows are not untouchable. Yeah, the marshmallows are not untouchable. Oh my gosh, I hate it. Not all experiments are untestable. See you guys on the next video. Bye!